One bite for you, one bite for me. First, please like my video. Please hit that like. What's up, EE fam? It's your boy Nate Hustle here, back to you with another food review. Today, we got Mickey D's. We got that new sweet and spicy chicken tenders. Definitely smells really good. A lot of napkins. Might get a little sticky. I'm ready to eat. Do an overview of this. All right, y'all. Nice branding on this thing. Nice box. Let's open this thing up. I just got the 4-piece. Just taste it. Nice, crispy, nicely coated. Good size portions. Overall, a very good looking tender. Nice and healthy. I do have some ranch here, but I'm gonna eat it without it at first, just to give y'all overall real review of what I think about these. Alright, y'all, I do have some ranch with this, but I'm going to eat it without it at first, just to give y'all overall review of what it actually is. Of course, I would have somebody calling me right now. Samsung watch. I love this thing. Yeah, so I did do the sandwich, the sweet spicy barbecue chicken sandwich from McDonald's. The link is in the description. It was a decent sandwich, but to me it just tasted like maybe they added a little something to the barbecue sauce and just put it on top of the chicken sandwich. It wasn't really like, definitely wasn't spicy. It was more on the sweeter side, and it wasn't coated all the way around, which I didn't understand. These are coated all the way around. So I'm guessing this is the same sauce, so I'm already expecting it not to be spicy. Let's see. One bite for you, one bite for me. All white meat. See the fibers in there. And I told them, look, make sure you make these fresh. Because I done had some tenders from McDonald's before, and it was a little too rubbery. It was like kind of rubbery. You know what I'm talking about? I like the way they coated this. Like I anticipated, not spicy at all. Not even a kick. Not even nothing. I just taste sweetness on here. That shit just says sweet barbecue chicken tender. If they would have said sweet barbecue chicken tenders, this would be spot on. They're really good, but they're not what they advertise they are. I'm looking for a kick. I just like that chicken, that jalapeno chicken sandwich from Wendy's. That's spicy. That's spicy. This ain't spicy. Good though. Ain't spicy. IE fam, the moment we all been waiting for. If I had to rate these between 1 through 50, I give it a 35. If it was sweet barbecue chicken tenders, I'd probably give it as close to a 50. Because they're really good. They're really good. But like I said, it says, but like the advertisement says, spicy barbecue. Ain't nothing about this spicy. Ain't nothing about this spicy at all. And I don't even eat spicy things. It don't even taste like you got like a little bit too much pepper. Nothing. I don't know. So there you have it, EE fam. I give it a 35. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Go to McDonald's, check these out, and see what I'm talking about. Let me know what you think about the items. Let me know if you like my video. Let me know if you don't like my video. Give me a thumbs down. Give me a thumbs up. Give me something. All right, EE fam. Thank you for watching. Make sure you tune into my other videos that I have done. Please leave a comment on anything new that you want me to review that I have not reviewed yet. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking my video. It's your boy Nate Hustle here. One love. Peace out.